Update 7 here on very severe Hurricane Matthew. It's a Category 4 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson Hurricane Wind Scale, or a Stage 6 on the Cyclone Destruction Potential Scale. It is currently moving at 6 miles an hour to the west, starting to stall off the northern coast of Colombia, as we'll see in satellite imagery. These are experimental warnings right now, so I wouldn't pay too much attention to those. Here's the NHC cone with the actual warnings out now, and the summary of those watches are that currently underneath a hurricane watch is the entirety of Jamaica and Haiti from the southern border with the Dominican Republic to Limol St. Nicolas. So again, this is a Category 4 with winds of 130 miles an hour at this point in time. It's expected to weaken a little bit, maybe down to a Category 3, but then re-strengthen as it moves northward between Jamaica and Hispaniola. Current satellite imagery shows that the storm is starting to maybe get its act together once again, but it's probably not going to re-strengthen until it makes that northerly turn. IR imagery shows that the eye continuously is fading and coming back, fading and coming back, unlike when it was a borderline Category 4-5 hurricane last night. Sea surface temperatures are absolutely gorgeous for intensification, especially around the area between Hispaniola, Jamaica, and Cuba, and heading northward through the Bahamas. It is over 30 degrees Celsius, and it's only going to get warmer the further that it moves north. Wind shear is also rather high to the north of the storm, mainly due to the outflow of it. You can definitely see a well-defined trough. That's going to pick the storm up to the north. Wind shear is going to decrease, and that's what's going to allow the strengthening. And as you can see here on the water vapor, dry air is starting to get cut off on the left. The outflow of the storm is really starting to take place. So again, the storm is expected to strengthen all the way up to a Category 4 once again as it heads towards Jamaica, Haiti, and Cuba. Here are a couple of the model runs. As you can see, there are some models that are expecting it to be a Category 5 throughout the entire run. I think that's a little ridiculous. It's more likely, and you can see most of the models expecting a very quick downward turn. We are pretty much at the 12-hour mark here on this model run. Borderline Cat 3, Cat 4, level out, and then start to intensify again, make landfall in Cuba as a Cat 3, Cat 4, it's kind of unclear yet what's going to happen, and then move north into the Bahamas, and you can really see here, after that, we have no idea what's going to happen. A lot of people are concerned about tropical storm and hurricane force conditions happening in Florida and the Carolinas. As of right now, it is very uncertain. The models have been completely all over the place. As you can see on the model intensity guidance, anywhere between a Cat 1 and a Cat 5 through the Bahamas. There's really no good guidance past 3 days on this storm. So the bottom line, Matthew is currently stalling and weakening. The high wind shear to the north is expected to break down, and the storm will re-strengthen into a Category 4. Probably won't get to 5, but I'm not going to rule it out. Matthew Center should pass between Jamaica and Haiti on Monday, with a possible major hurricane landfall on Cuba on Tuesday. Very heavy rains are expected on Jamaica and the Tiburon Peninsula of Haiti, so please stay tuned for that. The storm should pass through Bahamas and the Turks and Caicos Islands on Wednesday and Thursday. What parts of them? It's really unknown at this point, and it's very unknown what the land impacts are going to be in the United States at this time. You can follow Force 13 by subscribing to us on our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook, Force 13 all in text, same on Twitter. And if you want to join the team for Tropical Weather Destruction, you can add Nathan Foy on Skype at Fool13, FOOL13. We'll see you on the next advisory. Stay tuned.